Now if you look over to the left, what you'll see is you'll see this drop down box. This is where you can name this track, but because I imported audio that was already saved and named, it automatically put the name there. So this really comes into play when you have multiple tracks. If I was just recording, I just had this one single track, then it really wouldn't be that important for me to name it. But it's really important for you to start naming your tracks once you have more than one. That way you can stay organized and you'll know which one is which. Let's say, for instance, I was recording a song here, and I had a piano, I had a bass guitar, electric guitar, some drums, some vocals. That's 5 tracks that I just listed there. And unless I remembered exactly what order each one of those were recorded in, then it's just going to be a hot mess. So it's a lot better to go ahead, as you have a track, just go ahead in there and rename it. You can rename it, this is my bass track or this is my vocals, and that way you stay a lot more organized and it'll save you a lot of headache later.